Imagine this, January 2027. You've been almost invisible for 6 months. No posts, no updates. Friends ask, "What have you been doing?" You smile. Because inside you're almost unrecognizable. You're stronger, calmer. A completely new person. How did that happen? Welcome to the Stoic way to reinvent your life. Introduction. Stoicism isn't a magic trick or motivational hype. It's an ancient mindset that helped emperors like Marcus Aurelius and thousands of people today transform from the inside out. Instead of chasing likes or flashy resolutions, Stoics build changes quietly, one day at a time. In this video, we'll share 8 Stoic steps to start your life in 2027. Skip the surface-level goals and focus on your mind. By the end, you'll see why disappearing from the noise could be your greatest advantage. Step 1. Define the person you want to be. First, get crystal clear on who you want to become. Epictetus said, First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. In other words, declare your goal out loud. Want to be confident? Say, I am a confident person. Want discipline? Say it. This simple act turns intention into a promise. Then, act on it. For example, if you say you'll be fit, start by doing one small workout today. Each action confirms that new identity. Write your new identity on a note and repeat it every morning. This aligns your mind with your mission and makes your goal real. Step 2. Focus only on what you control. Next, filter out the noise. You cannot control what others think, the economy, or the news. You can control your thoughts and actions. Epictetus reminds us, people are not disturbed by things, but by the view which they take of them. Marcus Aurelius agreed, when you are disturbed by an external thing, it is not the thing itself that troubles you, but your judgment of it. Every morning say, I will care only about what I can change. When setbacks happen, they will pause and ask, is this in my control? If not, let it go. Instead of ranting on social media about every annoyance, channel your energy into doing your job better or learning something new. This shift, from reacting to creating, is the core of Stoic transformation. Step 3. Prepare for hardship, premeditation. Stoics don't wish for smooth sailing, they prepare for storms. Seneca warned, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. In other words, our fears often live in our heads. Practice premeditatio malorum. Imagine worst-case scenarios. Losing a job, failing a test, and plan how you'd respond. Then set that fear aside. When trouble comes, a flat tire or a critical email, you won't panic. You'll say, I thought this could happen. Now what? This mindset keeps anxiety low and confidence high. Example, if your car breaks down, instead of spiraling, calmly fix it or take a rideshare. Every challenge becomes a chance to prove to yourself that you can handle it. Step 4. Morning gratitude and priming. Every morning, set a Stoic tone for the day. Marcus Aurelius advised starting the day with gratitude, reflecting on life's simple gifts, breath, a new day, loved ones. Then prime your mind. Remind yourself that difficulties will come. Silently say, today, I will meet people who are impatient or rude. Today, something important might break or go wrong. But I will stay calm and do my duty. This isn't pessimism, it's readiness. It means no unexpected event can knock you off course. Example. If a coworker snaps, instead of snapping back, you remember your morning vow and respond kindly or with silence. This small daily ritual anchors your mind. Step 5. Micro-improvement. 1% better. Reinvention isn't an overnight leap. It's tiny, daily gains. Epictetus taught gradual progress by daily practice. Pick one habit that moves you 1% closer to your goal. Read one chapter of a good book. Walk 10 minutes. Write one grateful thought. Over a year, those 1% gains compound into enormous change. For instance, if you read 10 pages a day, that's 3,650 pages a year. 10 books worth, even Seneca read. Choose a realistic routine, Maybe a quick exercise, a meditation, or learning a word. Stick with it relentlessly. Tell yourself, I only need to improve a little today. This eliminates overwhelm. Step 6. Embrace solitude to strengthen yourself. In 2027, go on a digital sabbatical. Now and then. Take one morning or weekend per week off social media and news. Stoics like Seneca valued solitude. I begin to speak only when I am certain what I will say is not better left unsaid. Being alone forces introspection. You discover how you truly feel without others' influence. Use this time to think deeply about your goals, journal your thoughts, or work quietly on your skill. For example, turn your phone on airplane mode during breakfast and plan your day on paper. Over time, you'll find that this piece lets you act with clarity and purpose, rather than out of social fear or distraction. Step 7. Daily reflection and adjustment. Each night, review your day. Ask, what went well? What did I control poorly? Where did I react instead of respond? Seneca urged constant self-improvement by reflection. Keep a simple journal, note one success and one lesson. If you lost your temper, record it and plan how to avoid it tomorrow. This closes the loop. Over weeks, you'll see old patterns fade. This discipline builds an unshakable mindset, the core of your new 2026 self. Step 8. Protect your new self. By mid-2027, you'll be fundamentally different, stronger, calmer, more focused. Protect this growth zealously. Don't announce every goal or weigh others' opinions. As Marcus Aurelius said, waste no more time arguing what a good man should be one. Meditations. You know what you're building, let results speak. When people see your success, they'll ask what changed. Your answer, I disappeared for a while and did the work. The Stoics taught that. Purposeful isolation is not about hiding, it's about returning with results. If you follow these steps daily, by end of 2027, you truly won't recognize yourself. Subscribe to our channel for more Stoic wisdom and real-life strategies.